think also I've learned a lot in terms of this target 2 is the monitoring tool that was used actually to field and online data in regard to the restorations of these degraded lands in each respective countries.
So one of the practical takeaways when we visited the forest, I saw really good restoration practices whereby we learned that it's very good to let also natural regeneration to just be and help us in restoration. Although we can also put our own efforts to help the forest restore, but it's also very good to let natural regeneration just be itself. Also, I really like the tool that FAO introduced to us, the firm. It can really be a nice platform for all the restoration activities and all the data to be in one place so that it can be easily accessible. Yes.
I learned a lot of things. One of the things, the key takeaways I can take from this workshop was the knowledge exchange from the presentations that other countries gave with regards to what they are doing on Target 2, which is ecosystem restoration. Also, I would say the practical tools that were given to us by FAO and the other institutions, such as the Framework for Ecosystem Restoration Monitoring, will also help us enhance with our Target 2 monitoring and reporting to the CBD.
Hi, I even failed to choose what was the best because everything was good. But my lesson is that you have to be very, very specific exactly on what you want. And the most important area that I've learned here in terms of restoration is you need to be able to map your baseline very, very well, relate it with the landscape, relate it with the ecosystems, the people who benefit from it, and then be able to collect data that will inform additional steps, monitoring and decision making. And one of the things that I learned here was the FEM tool, the one which helps you first of all to capture your data very well and then store it very well.
I think it can really strengthen us in our own country to make sure that what we get from here will be able to replicate or implement in our own country in order to strengthen the restorations of the degraded land in the ecosystem of forest.
I've seen a lot of presentations from the countries for the best practices. We've learned that some countries have ways that they use for all this data collection and monitoring. Like for Zambia, they have steering committees only for biodiversity, something that we don't have back at home. So this takeaway or this experience will help me and go introduce it back home so that we can also do the same thing, because I think it will be good for all our restoration activities.
So with the discussions that we have had in the past days during this workshop, they will help enhance our coordination with regards to reporting on Target 2. The tools will also enhance us to conform to data interoperability so that we are able to integrate the different data systems so that we can all report on Target 2 to the CBD.
The discussion had here was very helpful and same for us, where we have learned how we make restoration in different types, within ecological restoration as well as ecosystem restoration. And we have seen that this restoration, we don't need for one person or one entity, it's a collaboration.
From this training, we have learned that it is not only the trees that we are supposed to restore, the soils, air quality, many other things. So there are parameters to look for when you intend to restore. And so therefore, when we go back, we'll look at this restoration plan, call stakeholders and see where to enhance so that it is inclusive. It covers all the ecosystems other than forests that we do have in the country.
It is really highly needed to cooperate with other countries which are advanced in terms of the habitat restorations, to cooperate with them so that you get the experience, you'll be able to implement what they have done, and then you'll be able to replicate in your own country in doing those restorations of the habitat.
We can receive technical support, for all this data collection, because we really need a baseline where we can all have our data that is collected, restoration data that is collected from all our institutions, to be in one place. This will reduce the fragmentation of the data systems, and also it will reduce different timelines for monitoring, because having fragmented data systems means every institution will report it on its own time, using its own methodologies and its own tools. That will not really give consistency in our data and reporting.
So I think from this workshop, the opportunities that are there are for Zambia as a party to the CBD to enhance our collaboration with the sub-region in Southern Africa, as well as the Eastern African region with regards to Target 2 reporting. From the discussions that we've had, we can leverage on RCMRD to continue with the capacity building that they have been giving us and will continue to give us to help us enhance our Target 2 reporting.
I think there is an opportunity of harmonizing reporting, having central databases, but also electronic reporting, and we think that the regional cooperation or the center can support in that, in developing software and tools that support data collection, but more so a central clearinghouse mechanism. Yes, we have the clearinghouse mechanisms under CBD, but there's a need to strengthen them and have them linked to other agencies that contribute to this data.